lasts long.
That was very easy.
This is a big cookie.
Yeah, grab me that.
That, okay, I'm doing that.
So this one actually cleans.
That's all the floor.
Yep.
Here you go. Did you? It will clean your shirt. And this. Dad, they came with the milk thing.
Yep. Now we gotta put this one. Okay.
This one is one. And on. It's going upside down. Look at Daddy got a new bicycle for me.
Mm-hmm.
At least Daddy got the new bicycle that we got to do. It's not working. It's not working.
No, it's just got to get lined up right. That's all.
Turn this Dad, there you go. It's not working. That's like me now. Right?
Maybe you have to read the instructions again.
Great, I'm gonna read it. I'll read it. And I'll read it like this. It was children did Bicycle King. You have cool and Bicycle King. I had a black one. That I can use this. This is what the big car Bicycle King to clean all the part. And here we go. Daddy,
Look at that. It says.
this a big. This the one that makes sure to take this. That's trash. It's gonna put in the trash. Mommy, number you go this one and then we.
That's right. Yeah.
This is where you're using that noise.
Yeah.
This one goes boom.
Yeah, and then it cleans up everything.
Yeah, put your button in there, put your finger in there. Just
Mm.
and everything like all. That number, you know that song? You know that
Mm-hmm.
That's funny. Give a little.
Let's look at the toys. Now, what toys did we get? This? Look at that.
This is the brush.
Yeah.
This brush is not too big. That's what. Can we do it?
Oh, yeah.
Bring them in there and you go.
Mm-hmm.
Look, this is a special tool.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This is the big head for you to spin very fast.
Yeah.
Mommy,
This is
Mommy, can we put this on the bike?
Oh, yeah. You guys will put it on the bike, Oakley.
Yeah, and Mommy, what are you eating?
Pretzel.
Cause oh, that's yummy. Mommy, you will
No,
try
I'm gonna-
this or yes or no?
No, because you and Dada are going to do it first, okay?
Okay, and you do what you, the bottom that are using.
Yeah.
And this,
We gotta find a place to put this placeholder. Do you know where this goes?
right here.
I don't think it goes right there.
Want to go right here?
I don't know. I gotta find out. I'm not entirely sure.
Hey, Mom, this one will not work. Like, it's not working.
Yeah, that's okay. We're going to look at the instructions and see if we can find out where it's supposed to go.
Right here?
Hmm.
Nah. Okay. Right here? No, maybe right here.
No.
Maybe here.
No.
Maybe here.
Daddy will figure it out.
Daddy is.
Here, it's right here. This is where it goes.
Go. Right.
There you go.
And you need to put the tab right here.
Yeah. Now we're gonna put this one right here.
Here on a hanger.
Yep.
Now I need this one.
Actually,
This one, Daddy. This one. This one. This one.
can have. That one?
Yeah, okay. What's
This
that?
is, this is called a combination tool.
Yeah, that was a mix.
Okay, Alex, I cannot tell. Are you excited?
Yes, there's some people who love my bicycle picture. And
How excited are you?
this one I'm going to put it right here.
Good. Put right here.
Yeah, and the toothbrush.
There you go.
Mama, that's very heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Daddy, put it. Put it very low.
Careful.
Daddy, put it low.
This one, I don't think this can fit here. So this just stays on the side. You don't need to put it anywhere.
I want to put it.
There is no room for this.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no room for it. This is like a special tool. We only use it when there's a lot of hair. And look at it. This spins. Do you see this?
And this is going to spin very fast and get all that hair.
Yeah.
Mom, you
This
remember?
is supposed to take care of all the hair, Baba.
Okay. Wow, look at Daddy, go that cycle came by me.
Yeah,
Alex,
good job.
Does it look very similar to the one we have?
No, but this bike queen, but you know what? That bike queen's very yucky.
Yeah, it doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, but maybe this bike queen. Can we plug in and use it?
Okay, yeah.
Yep,
so
let's plug it in and use it.
So let's try to clean all this stuff. Okay.